Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. In our company, we have 4 distinct groups that need to have different levels of access: AWS administrators, security, DevOps engineers, and IT management. Instead of assigning individual permissions to each user, we will first create groups for each type of access required. Creating groups is necessary so we can scale permissions. In this video we will create and manage users with AWS IAM, Identity Access Management. Open the AWS console. In the top search bar, type in and click on IAM, or open it from your favorite bar. In the left-hand menu, click Policies, where you are able to find predefined AWS policies. For creating groups based on required access, click on User Groups. Click Create Group to enter the Create User Group wizard. Set the first user group name to Administrators. In the Attach Permissions Policies section, type Administrator Access into the search box and then press Enter. Check the box next to the Administrator Access policy to attach it. If you need to attach a second policy, click Clear Filter. Then type and check the resulting policy. Once ready, click Create Group. Repeat the process above to create remaining 3 additional groups. Once you're done, you'll see all 4 groups listed at the User Groups page. With all of the groups created, you now are ready to create users. We will now create those 4 users, 1 for each group. From the left-hand menu, click Users, then click Add Users. Starting with Techhandy from our table. Since we want to give console access to all listed users, all users in this demo will have the AWS Management Console access box checked. We are creating IAM users, so select, I want to create an IAM user. You can leave auto-generated password and the user must create a new password at the next sign-in checked, or can create a password for the user and share it with the user later. Select the checkbox for the Administrators group, and click Next. Under Tags, type in the next key called Team, and enter a value of AWS administrators. You can also create email tag for each user. For example, in the key section, type email and for the value paste in the provided email for Techhandy, from table. You can add tags later as well. Review the user details to ensure they are correct, then click Create User. Normally you would now send the user their new account information by clicking Send Email at the far right of the table. You would need to also separately send the user their temporary password. In the Success banner that appears on the Add User page, you can see the sign-in link to the AWS Management Console, and you can download the access keys. This will be the only time that you can download these access keys, and best practice for the Security Access Manager is to keep a record of these keys offline. Repeat the above steps for each of the other 3 users, one for each group. Pay attention to assigning the correct group for each, based on their team, and if they should be given programmatic access. Now let's try login in with the newly created Techhandy user ID. Open a different browser or browser incognito window and open a fresh AWS web console. Select IAM user option and enter account ID. Then enter your credentials and hit sign in. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to support us.